We can't turn back time. Wouldn't it be good if you could? If you could just go, I'm going to take a pill tonight. It's going to take off 5 years. Sadly, the world has not got there yet. However, we can slow down the aging process with just a couple of more minutes that it's all about you before bed. Because did you know whatever you do to your skin before you fall into bed at night is when your body is in rest mode. And the good thing is that basically when you fall into bed, you might be exhausted. I always say keep a packet of makeup wipes in your bedside drawer, because at least you are getting all of the pollution and deadness off your face before you fall into sleep mode. Your skin goes into recovery mode from about 11 p.m. till about 4 a.m. So it's working for you. But these cute little tools here are going to help make all the difference. This is our petite roller, and this is our Gua Sha tool that's made on rose quartz. And basically these will help your serious serums go to work. So I would put my serum on overnight, whether it's retinol for helping to fight pigmentation, whether it's platinum tight firm and fill to lift and firm the complexion, whether it's moisture system to add hydration when you're going to bed, whatever your preferred one is. You put the serum on, really let it sink in for a minute, and then watch your favorite show or sit in the bath. You could even multitask and read the kids a book and do this at the same time. Probably not. You need to make this about you. So you'll see here, you go up, up. It's always up, never down with these things, always up. So there's a different side of this Gua Sha tool for every bit of yours. So if you'd like to lift the neck, the décolletage area, you go up, up, up with this side. Then you've got this side that you would go up into the eye area. You've also could go up here with this, or you could use your little roller and you just roll the product. That's all you're doing. You're rolling the product deeper and deeper into your skin. And do you know with serums, you can actually layer them. So you do one serum, maybe let that sink in for a minute or two and then go for it with your little roller. Maybe half an hour later, put on a different serum. Serums layer upon layer upon layer, and every time you put on a new one, you are adding more of that good high ingredient, high performance products, the big kahunas of it all. So just remember, it takes 2 minutes, and I will almost challenge you that if you made the effort to use a Gua Sha tool or your petite little roller here every night for a week, you will feel a firmer, more hydrated, more lifted, more glowing skin. Who would like a Gua Sha or a petite roller? They both work. You don't have to have them both. You just choose which one works best for you. Hope that helps. You get younger longer.